Here's 5 quick art tips for beginners. Number 1, do gesture drawings to warm up. 30 seconds each, links to good sites in the description. Number 2, buy cheap materials to begin with, the gear won't make you better. Number 3, draw lines parallel to each other to practice hand-eye coordination and pen control. Number 4, draw ellipses to loosen up your shoulder and improve pen movement. Number 5, the average human height is 7.5 heads tall. Please like, share and subscribe for more art tips as well as other art videos for beginners. Thanks for watching. Did you know I have a website? It's got my comics, illustrations and my blog, which is updated weekly. It also has free downloadable resources for beginners like perspective grids, tutorials on things like value, as well as my own custom brush packs. Did I mention they're free? They're free! Check it out in the description and sign up to my email address so you can be the first ones to see the updates.